Hi, it's Sean, the Fluency Awesomeizer. I have two more reading exercises for you here. Let's get started. All right, I'm about to show you a word. I want you to do your best to read it. Here it is. Can you read that? If you can, that's great. You might have guessed this. These are the words recreation and reaction. They are easily confused. Let's compare them. They start and end exactly the same way. So let's look at the middle. Recreation has a C and then an A. And you can see down below in reaction, that C and A reverse, they switch places. The A comes first, which is why these words are easily confused. Back up top, recreation has an RE sound in the middle that reaction just doesn't. And many times readers will leave out an R sound. They'll drop the R. Okay, that's very common too. And that led to the confusion. If indeed you said reaction when reading recreation, you probably dropped that middle R sound out of recreation. If we take a look at the syllables, up top we have re or re, that is a prefix, re, then cre, a, and that pesky suffix tion, shun. It's pesky because it doesn't look anything like it sounds. And the reason that is because tion comes from the French language, and they pronounce it fion. Fion, it's fun to say. Recreation. Down below, we have reaction. Now, here are the root words. Up top, recreation comes from the word recreate, and actually the root is create. We don't really use recreate we just don't use that word very much. Recreation, you know that word from recreation in parks. Down below, reaction comes from the root word react. The root is actually act, and you put an re prefix in front, and you act again, react. And that's, if you think about the word reaction, first it's kind of cause and effect. There's an action and then another action, a reaction. So those are the root words. Let's put those words aside and take a look at the Fluency Awesomeizer phrase that matches these two words. Go ahead and hit pause and do your best to read this phrase, and I'll be right back with another pair of words. Okay, you ready for the next exercise? Here's your next word. Think you got it? If so, that's great. You might have read this word. These are the words surrounded and surrendered. They are easily confused too. Let's compare them. Both words start with an S. They have a double R consonant pair. There's an ND consonant blend. And the suffix ED at the end. Very similar. Surrounded has that OU vowel sound, ow. And let's see, I like to remember that. How's this going to show up? OU, ow. Here's O in sign language, U in sign language, ow. Maybe that'll help you remember OU says ow. Down below, there's an R-controlled sound in surrendered towards the end. You don't see that in surrounded. And it's very common to add an R when you're reading words, all right? Totally normal, and it's one way that you can confuse these words. Let's take a look at the syllables. Up top, we've got the syllable sir, round, dead. Now the E is a lighter green because down below we have surrender. See the E sound in there. Surrendered. Now surrender has an ED ending, but you don't pronounce the E like you did in surrounded. Surrendered, it sounds like dird. And that's what makes ED endings tricky. There's actually 3 sounds to those. And you learn about those in school and you practice them. And if you pay attention to Fluency Awesomizer videos, we'll be talking about those a lot. Here are the root words: surround, surrender. Now let's put these words aside, and I'm going to show you another phrase. You can go ahead and hit pause, give yourself plenty of time to read it, and that'll be the end of today's video. Here you go. Good luck. All right, we'll see you soon here at the Fluency Awesomizer.